So Windows 11 is finally here, and one of the highlight feature of Windows 11 live event was this.
Android apps coming to Windows. And I mean coming to Windows. They can be integrated into Start. They'll be integrated in your taskbar.
Wow, really cool. Can it support ray tracing for your games? Will it totally crush the Android gaming benchmarks? Is it really that powerful? Windows can run Android apps. Which one is the App Store? Is it a Play Store, Amazon Store, or any third-party service? Today I have some really interesting data from Microsoft, the real development, not speculation, so it will be a good solid evidence. And believe me guys, those are really interesting ones. So without a further ado, let's get started. Windows 11 announcing Android support. It's basically like giving you free Android device, and not even the mediocre ones, high-end ones, because most of the PCs these days are really graphics intensive. You can install a pretty decent graphics card in there and get a good performance. So let me get this clear. I'm an Android fanboy. So I always look for a somewhat powerful gaming system than my phone. Gaming on my phone is good enough, portable enough, but I want something that much powerful that should crush the benchmarks. Let's say you want to game on your most powerful machine, that is your PC, you have to use emulators. And a performance of an emulator can be hit or miss. Improper hardware support, and thus it is causing occasional crashes, glitches and all that. So it's not a seamless performance in the end. In the demo, Microsoft showed some of the casual apps running on Windows 11. Apps like a TikTok. Now running a TikTok on your Windows 11 might not be that much of a hardware intensive stuff. Running a PUBG, Fortnite in a ray tracing mode. Is this really possible in Windows 11? Let's explore all of this. Windows has been working secretly on a lot of Android developments in the past. Project Latte has been the example. Also, Windows Subsystem for Linux is one of them. Here I am on GitHub, the Microsoft's WSLG page, and you can see these are the Linux GUI support improvements they have done in the past. Now WSLG stands for Windows Subsystems for Linux, and the G stands for Graphical User Interface. So let's see what are the improvements Microsoft has been doing in terms of the Android development in the past. So let's see. They have been working really hard. You can see they have fixed most of the crashes, zooming in windows, geometry stuff, this doesn't work, that doesn't work. You can see this is like a 16 days ago. So it's a pretty recent development. So you can relate to this. Fix Android emulator window doesn't move and crash at minimize. Also fix Android emulator window which is not movable when no frame. Now the word emulator is really important here because you can estimate how well the performance can be. Ultimately, where this is heading to is really interesting. I can clearly see running any emulator on Windows will result in a limited performance, and this is what casual app means by Windows 11's launch event. Running graphics intensive PUBG, Fortnite and that kind of stuff can be a little bit challenging, I think. Take example of BlueStacks emulator. It is available right now. You can download today. You can get a pretty good feel how Windows 11 can emulate Android apps on their Windows systems. But then I saw this. You can see 10 days ago, these are the improvements they have done, and in this they have done lots of graphics related improvements like a WSL graphics support for ARM64.MSI. Also WSL graphics for x64.MSI. Wow. Well, this is all heading to a good place. I can clearly see when Microsoft will integrate more of the advanced stuffs like next level graphics improvements, also the ray tracing and that kind of stuff. We can clearly see the Android games running on Windows will be a next level stuff. Talking about App Store, we got a pretty good hint of App Store
and they're discoverable through the Microsoft Store using the Amazon App Store. It's really cool.
Amazon App Store can be a really good option, but even if Play Store is not supported, you can sideload your own apps, so that won't be a limitation, I think. So that's for today's video, guys. If you like this video, do hit that like, share this video, subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.